Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is part 2 of our Marrakech vlog. If you haven't watched the part 1, we'll advise that you watch the part 1 so that you can just sync with the part 2. We've put the link in the description to refer you to the part 1 video. So on this day, it was my birthday and we were traveling to Ouzoud Waterfall. So come along and let's enjoy the adventure together.
Guys, it feels good to be 30. I was scared of getting to 30. The idea of me getting to 30 was really scary. But now that I'm 30, I don't feel any different from what I was when I was 29, 28, 27. Still the same.
Did you expect to feel the difference?
I don't know, I just felt like I was getting older. But now I understand.
It's a very significant age.
I think I understand now when people say age is just
Turn left onto route to Casablanca, N9.
Casablanca, M9.
How does 30 feel, babe?
Casablanca.
The sun is really sunning.
Yeah.
Like it's like just kissing my skin.
We're taking the road to Casablanca.
Is it?
Yeah. I saw a sign with saying Casablanca.
Take the second exit and stay on route to Casablanca, N9.
Did you hear this? Is it M or A9? Either way, this road goes to Casablanca. We're not going to Casablanca. We're going somewhere very far, I think about 101 miles away. We're going to a waterfall called Ouzoud.
No, it's not Q. It's something O.
What's a Q, babe?
No, it's an O. So you think I wrote all Q on my
Roundabout
mind?
on route to Casablanca.
Oh, okay.
Where did you get a Q
Oh,
from?
so it's Ouzoud then. I'm going straight, yeah?
Yes.
So,
Where did you get a Q
I
from?
thought you
Continue
were
on
going to Q.
N9 for 1 mile.
So yeah, we're going to that
On
waterfall.
N9 for 1 mile.
Just a tip to somebody who's gonna go to any new country. Yeah? What we normally do is to rent a car because we find it very, very cheap. Yeah.
Depends on the country.
To rent a car.
Every country
Unless you're
except
going
Zimbabwe.
to except Zimbabwe. Yeah. So there's these travel agencies, or you can find some packages on TripAdvisor. We use TripAdvisor as our itinerary of a country we're in. We just go to TripAdvisor and we see things to do in that country, and then we just go to the places by ourselves. We won't need a guide because we've got a car, so we can just drive there and just pay the local guide when we get there. Because these travel agencies, they will charge you for a boat ride, but they actually don't have a boat. So they will charge you, and then they'll take you to the boat, and obviously they'll take their margin. So I'd rather just go straight to the boat and pay myself. I'll then save myself a lot of whatever this travel agency is going to charge me. I'll become my own travel agency. Obviously through the help of TripAdvisor. That's how we do it. So now we're just going to the place called, to this beautiful waterfall. They say that it's one of the, most beautiful waterfalls in Africa. That's what they say, from what I've read. So I'm looking forward to seeing the beauty.
Ooh, you can feel the water.
No, it's not the rain, it's just water coming back from the...
Oh, wow. Wow. Can you take this? Put it in your pockets.
This is, I tell you. So, that's it from the top. Yeah. Then, oh, hello, man. Hello. What's up? You are welcome. You step by step, if you like to favor the waterfall or not, something to do. Then,
Guys, this is beautiful. Very, very beautiful.
120 meters higher. 120. And there are 3 levels. First level, second level, and the third one. it okay with the standard?
So this is our guide, Mustafa.
You are welcome. Thank you.
Yeah.
Please, you might ask from where the water comes to that waterfall. Yeah. Let's say 2 or 3 kilometers that direction. There are like 23 streams coming from Morocco, and there's the river coming from high Atlas, which is added to the water of the stream, and it gives that debate. This waterfall is never dry. After the snow flooded and rain, much water. So the river was too natural before. There were lots of walls from both sides of the bed of the river. They just built into a what flood.
Wow. Yeah, yeah.
Sir, good.
Yeah, give.
Zulfan Berjaman. You know him there. I go to the Zunis. Who's now going there? What is it? Who's now? Who knows there? I want to try to shoot. I want to try to think of Zunis. Yeah?
Ja, dat is zoals je soms zegt, die vielen daar, ik dacht
This is so beautiful. Mira. Pasta auto over there.
As we were hiking down towards the waterfall, we saw so many stands for the local people selling clothes, selling stones, whatever they can sell just to make a living out of it. And I saw this guy selling some very nice sandals, and I wanted to support his business, but unfortunately he didn't have a size for me. But yeah, that was very cool going down.
Thank you. Merci. We're on a little boat and we're going to the bottom of the waterfall. We're about to get wet. That is a guarantee. But it's worth it. How pretty is this? I know. Yeah. Look at the cave. Guys, we're going up the stairs. It's a workout. I'm sorry for Taff because he's carrying Josh. But bruh, the view was worth it. We came from up there before and then we went around. snack for the road. It's not a lot, but taking him out for dinner tonight.
After our lunch or our dinner and resting our feet, we decided it was time to head back to the top, and we started the hike back. Upon arrival to the top, we just had to pay our guide. You know, he was a very nice guy, and he was very informative. He seemed to be knowledgeable of the area, and we had so many questions to ask, which he answered. So we were happy to give him a tip. And yeah, we got back in our car and we headed back for Marrakech.
Me, baby. Wow.
Yeah, gorgeous.
Very gorgeous.
Hope that you enjoyed the trip.
Yeah.
So my wife wanted to take me to this beautiful restaurant for my birthday dinner, but however we arrived in Marrakech a little bit late and it was closed. So we ended up going to this place, which we found out it was actually very, very, very beautiful, and we really enjoyed every bit of it.
Well, perfect. Oh, we can sit first. We can find somewhere to sit, and then we can. Ah, okay. You're right, man. I'm good. How are you? Thank you very much. Oh, are we outside? Is this outside? Oh, wow. I didn't know we were outside already. It looks so beautiful. My goodness. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yeah. Oh, man. It is so beautiful. Yes, he's gonna be turning
It's almost 2.
He's turning 2 in May. Okay. Josie. Josie. Yeah, she's taking from here. I'm doing a little video. Good? Yeah, perfect. You can bring us the menu if you can. What are we gonna eat? Just waiting for our food.
A very good morning from Marrakech. This was our last day and we were just going to the city center to do a little bit of some shopping, buying some souvenirs and a few stuff. We ended up going for horse riding in the afternoon since we just wanted to kill time and we didn't have much to do. And later that evening we had dinner. So come along and let's enjoy.
We saw this man while we were parking. He seems to be very nice. He's selling us, he's got a shop. I don't know whether he wants to sell us something or not. So fortunate that his shop is in the direction of where we're going.
Hey, one month you speak Arabic.
One month I speak Arabic, yeah? Oh, this is your shop?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Salam alaikum. Salam alaikum.
Yes. Salam alaikum. Oh, nice. So what is this?
My brother. Salam alaikum. Salam alaikum.
Salam alaikum. Salam alaikum.
I will explain to you.
Okay.
See you later.
Okay, see you later. Thank you.
The woman here, you make it argan oil.
Organ oil.
Yes.
Organic oil.
Organic oil.
Is it like peanut butter? This?
Yeah, because argan oil, you have two kinds. You have one for cooking one,
Yeah.
and one for the skin.
Oh. So we're in the old city. I hope we'll just be able to navigate our way back to where we parked our car. We're following that guy. He's gonna show us where we can find some nice stuff, apparently. Motorcycles coming. Oops, oops, oops. Oh, nice. I feel like all these things are very ancient. Oh, wow. This is really nice. That's your sister?
Nice people.
Yeah, nice.
Daughter from my auntie.
Ah, nice. Chill. Walk to town, I got you this. He also says it. Yeah, touchy, touchy. Touchy, touchy. Touchy, touchy. Who's that? Who's that? You look very good, girl. A very busy streets of the old city. We just came out now, but where are you going? Go this side. Yeah. We were not planning on buying anything, yeah? We came here yesterday to have dinner. Ended up buying this thing I'm wearing, what Josh is wearing and what my wife is wearing. So we look like real Moroccans. Pretty cool. Baby, you like this city? She's scared of motorcycles. There's motorcycles everywhere. Motorcycles everywhere. Tuchak. Do the backing. We've just parked our little car here, but it's like bumper to bumper. And now we want to go out. Look at this. There's a cat here coming up, but wrong with my donkey. This donkey is so powerful. How are we gonna go out?
We eventually made it out of the tight parking spot. And unfortunately, SatNav doesn't really work in the old city and we got lost. So this guy came with his motorcycle and he said, follow me, I'll show you the way out. Lucky enough, we had a small car, so we had to follow him through these narrow streets, obviously for a fee. At the end of it, he wanted, some crazy, ridiculous money. Since this was our last day in Marrakech and we still had about 3 hours of daylight, we decided to go for horse riding. We googled up this place and the guys there were very nice and they took us on an adventure.
Yeah. You put orange. You put orange, Josh. What's that name? Josh, what's that orange? Give it up. Hey, yo.
I can See him. Joshi. You take it to the horse. Say hello, Ossie. So we just get to this place. Oh, okay, so we can go now. You ready? You ready? You're on a horse. He doesn't want to go. The horse doesn't want to go. He wants to go inside and sleep. What's the name? What's the name of this one? Senabe.
Senabe, yes.
He understands French.
Yes, French.
Okay. So we're going out on horseback. I'm not sure where we're going, but it's gonna be an hour just riding around. So yeah, my wife is getting ready. So I'm not gonna be able to be vlogging while I'm on horse. So this we have to stop at some point.
Stop.
Ah, perfect. You got it, right? Are you comfy?
I'm scared.
Yeah.
I take picture.
Okay. Going out now. Yeah, it's fine. But I think I need to give you this phone so you can vlog.
No, I want to stay safe.
Okay. It's perfectly fine. We good, Josh, aren't we? You okay there?
Are you taking a picture?
Nah, video.
A picture.
Look, Josie. Okay, you start. We actually realized that our son loves horse riding so much. When I'd gone galloping by myself, he was just screaming and crying, wanting to join me. But obviously, he couldn't join me while I'm galloping. So we decided to take him on horseback again, just doing rounds in this area so that he gets to relax. And afterwards, we had to say goodbye to the horses, and he was fine with that. Later that evening, we went to Marrakech to get dinner. This was our last night in Marrakech. So my wife chose this restaurant called Boston. It's an American restaurant. She chose it mainly because she wanted to use the internet on your laptop. And at the end, we didn't regret. The service was very good. So we had dinner and then we later went to our apartment for the night. Ladies and gentlemen, this brings us to the end of our Marrakech trip report. We absolutely had an amazing time in Marrakech. And if you haven't watched the part 1, we suggest that you watch that. The link is in the description so that you don't miss out on anything. Up next, we'll be uploading our trip report on EasyJet Airbus 320 back to London Gatwick. So stay tuned. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. God bless you.